Teen girly habits that will change your life. Welcome back to my channel. Hey there, lovely ladies. Are you ready to discover some teen girly habits that can totally change your life? Well, get ready because I'm about to spill the tea on some fabulous habits that will have you feeling like a queen every single day. Let's dive right in with habit number 1. Practicing self-care like a boss. Taking care of yourself is essential for feeling confident and empowered. Treat yourself to a luxurious skincare routine. Pamper your locks with nourishing hair treatments and take time to unwind and relax. You deserve it, girl. Habit number 2. Staying organized and planning like a pro. Keeping your life in order can help reduce stress and increase productivity. Use planners, journals, and sticky notes to stay on top of your schedule, set goals, and track your progress. Organization is the key to success. Habit number 3. Prioritizing physical health and staying active. Regular exercise is not only good for your body, but also for your mind and spirit. Find activities that you enjoy, whether it's going for a run, practicing yoga, or dancing to your favorite tunes. Staying active will leave you feeling strong, energized, and ready to take on the world. And finally, habit number 4. Committing to lifelong learning and personal growth. Never stop seeking knowledge and challenging yourself to be the best version of you. Read books, take online courses, and pursue hobbies that inspire you. The journey of self-discovery and personal growth is truly life-changing. And there you have it, lovelies. Embrace these teen girly habits and watch as they transform your life for the better. I'm Minhu, signing off. Until next time, stay beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more.